Everyone always does bright, colorful makeup looks for Coachella and festival season, but today I thought I'd do a more edgy, darker kind of look. Still using rhinestones for that festival type look. First I use black on the lids and the crease, creating a wing-like shape. Then I blend that out with a dark gray. Then using dark silver sparkles in the inner eye. Then using rhinestones, and for this look I'm using a mixture of regular clear rhinestones, pearl rhinestones, and even metallic silver ones, putting them in a crisscross shape but creating sort of a winged look. And that completes this dark, edgy, alternative kind of festival look. This will look great with any dark, alternative, or gothic kind of look. Let me know what you think about this look in the comments down below, and let me know what kind of look you'd wear to Coachella.